When you search for the best planted aquarium lights, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what truly makes a difference for your plants and fish, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, AquaNeat LED Aquarium Light. The AquaNeat LED Aquarium Light really caught my attention with its budget-friendly price of just $15.88. It's designed for tanks between 18 and 24 inches, and if you want a solid light solution for a small freshwater setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This light boasts a configuration of 42 LEDs, including 30 white LEDs at 6500K, which is perfect for plant growth. The brightness is impressive. It can illuminate your tank without breaking the bank, making it ideal for beginners. However, it's important to note that the brightness isn't adjustable, so you'll need to be okay with one level of brightness. Some users pointed out that the light isn't waterproof, which means you really have to be careful to keep it dry. Now, some people complained about its lack of advanced features like a timer or a dimming function. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or looking for a basic solution, this light might still meet your needs effectively. This is perfect for you if you have a small freshwater tank and want a no-fuss lighting solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something more customizable or advanced. For the price, it offers solid value, especially for beginners. Product number 2, Hygger Clip-On 24/7 Lighting. The Hygger Clip-On 24/7 lighting caught my eye for its unique features, priced at $29.99. What makes it stand out is the 24/7 natural lighting mode, and if you want a light that mimics the sun cycle, this one deserves your attention. It features a gradient lighting system that simulates sunrise and sunset, transitioning from orange to white and then to moonlight. This means your fish will experience a more natural environment, which is super beneficial for their health. The light also includes a DIY mode, allowing you to customize brightness and color, which is pretty cool if you want to create different vibes in your aquarium. However, some users mentioned that the clip might not be sturdy enough for thicker glass, so keep that in mind if you have a larger tank. But honestly, if you're looking for a light that enhances the aesthetic of your aquarium and supports your plants, this is a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want a light that provides a natural day-night cycle for your fish. Skip this one if you have a very thick aquarium glass, since the clip might be a challenge. It's a great value considering the features you get. Product number 3, Seora LED Aquarium Light for Plants. The Seora LED Aquarium Light for Plants, priced at $21.84. What got my attention is its full spectrum capability and integrated timer, making it a solid choice for plant enthusiasts. This light covers a range of colors with its multicolored LEDs, including white, blue, red, green, and pink. It's designed to support healthy plant growth by providing essential light wavelengths. Plus, the built-in timer lets you set it to turn on and off automatically, which is a huge convenience if you're busy. However, one downside is that some users found it less effective on larger tanks due to its brightness level. Here's the thing though, for smaller setups, this light delivers excellent performance and value. This is perfect for you if you're into planted tanks and want something easy to use. Skip this one if you have a larger tank that demands higher intensity lighting. It's a good deal for what you get. Product number 4, Seora 12 to 18 inch Aquarium Light. The Seora 12 to 18 inch aquarium light is another great option at just $16.14. It caught my eye for its affordability and solid features tailored for small tanks. This light offers the same full spectrum capabilities as its bigger sibling, aiming to promote plant health and vibrant colors in your aquarium. The adjustable brightness is a fantastic feature, allowing you to find just the right setting for your plants. However, some customers noted that the construction felt a bit flimsy, which could be a concern for long-term use. That said, if you're careful with it, this light can still effectively enhance your tank's beauty. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly lighting option for a smaller planted tank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's built like a tank itself. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price.
Product number 5, Hygger 18W 24/7 Lighting Aquarium LED Light, priced at $38.99. This one really impressed me with its thoughtful design for aquascaping. Like its 14W counterpart, this model offers a full 24/7 lighting schedule, but with more power and features. The adjustable brightness and color settings allow you to create just the right vibe for your fish and plants. It ramps up and down slowly, which is great for your aquatic friends. However, Some users reported that the installation process could be tricky if you're not familiar with aquarium setups. But honestly, once it's up and running, the quality of light it provides is outstanding for promoting plant growth. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive lighting system that mimics natural light. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with setting up more advanced equipment. It's a good investment for serious aquarists.
So, to wrap it up, we've covered the AquaNeat for budget-friendly basics, the Hugger clip-on for natural lighting, the Sea Aura options for smaller tanks, and the powerful Hugger 18-watt for serious plant enthusiasts. Each has its strengths, so pick one that matches your needs best.